What's the meaning of Augustan? Augustan. Augustan.
Augustan. Augustan. The term Augustan is used to refer to a period of literature and culture in ancient Rome during the reign of Emperor Augustus from 27 BC to 14 AD. This era is characterized by an emphasis on rationality, simplicity, and order, often reflected in the arts and literature of the time. The Augustan age is also associated with the development of Latin poetry, including the works of Virgil, Horace, and Ovid. The term Augustan is commonly used to describe any literary or cultural movement that emulates the virtues of the Augustan age.